online class children. Today let's learn about the articles. Okay, so what do you mean by articles? Article is nothing but A and D. Okay, so it begins with a vowel sound. Okay, so what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Okay, so what is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Okay, so for example, an apple. Okay, an egg. See here, A. Okay, this is E, this is U. Okay, so an apple, an egg, an umbrella. Okay, so these are the some of the examples. Now let's see some more examples. Okay, in a sentence, this is an orange. So you can see here O. Okay children, this is O. The same here. Okay, it is an is used, okay, before a word that begins with a vowel sound. Okay, so here an orange, an ice cream. Okay, so now A. So let's talk about A. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. So A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. So what are consonants other than vowels? Okay, you can see here B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So other than vowels are called as consonants. Okay, you can see here examples such as a cow, okay, a deed, a book. Even here also you can see here a cow, okay, a deed, a book. Okay, so these are the some of the examples. Okay, let's see here. This is a flower. Okay, now A is used before a word that begins with a consonant. Okay, A is used before a word. This is a word, okay, that begins with a consonant. Yes, flower. Flower, it starts with F. Yes, so F is also a consonant. So this is a flower. Okay, example. Another example. This is a book. Okay, a book. B-O-O-K, book. Okay, so these are the some of the examples. And A used to introduce a single noun. This is very important. Okay children, so A is used to introduce a single noun. See here you can see only single. Yes, single noun this is. Yes, flower. What is the plural form of flower? Flowers. Yes, and what is the single noun? This is a single noun. Yes, book. What is the plural form of book? Books. So A is used to introduce a single noun. The. So the is used to when we talk about same noun the second time. Okay, the same noun when we talk the second time. That is a particular thing. Okay, so the is used to introduce plural nouns. Okay, the is used to introduce plural nouns, and the is used when we talk about same noun second time. Okay, that is particular thing. Okay, next let's see the examples. The bicycles, the dolls, the erasers. So these are plurals, or these are plural nouns. Okay, the dolls, the erasers. Okay, now let's see some more examples. The sun rises in the east. See here also the sun Here also the east. Okay, but the particular thing, yes. So the sun rises in the east. Okay. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Okay. Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. So the. Okay. Here also we have used the. So children, turn out your readers to page number 17. Okay. Let's see. Page number 17. Okay. Open your reader. Let's see here. A and D are called articles. Article A is used before the countable nouns that starts with the consonant, and an is used before the countable nouns that start with vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Article the is used before unique or famous nouns. It is also used for things that have already been mentioned. See here children, take out your pencil. Okay. So when I am telling you underline it there. Okay. Examples. Many years ago, a ship was sailing on the calm water of the sea. So underline a ship. Next one. The ship wrecked on the rocky shore and was broken into pieces. Underline the ship. Next one. I saw an elephant and an eagle in the zoo. Underline an elephant and also underline an eagle. Okay, which are in red color, orange color highlighted. In the first sentence, we have used a ship because we are talking about the ship for the first time. Yes, we have talked about the ship only the first time. In the second sentence, we have used the ship because we are talking about the ship for the second time. Okay. In the third sentence, we have used an elephant and an eagle because these are countable nouns and start with vowels. Okay. See your children. If you look at the first example, okay, many years ago, a ship it is given. Okay, so we are here. A ship is used. A is used because we are introducing for the first time. And if you see in the second sentence, we have used the ship. The ship. See here, the ship in the second one. So it is used because we are talking about the ship for the second time. Yes. If we are talking about the same thing the second time, we use the. Okay. Now let's see the fill in the blanks with an A, an or D. We have to fill it. Okay. Mother. Where is your sister? Tanya. She is in the study room. So write the. For the first one, write the. Okay. Write it in your textbook only. She is reading a storybook. She is reading a storybook. A. Okay. Next, mother. Tell her to finish the story. See, we are talking story second time. So you have to write again the. Okay. The story and come into the drawing room. Again the. Okay. Now second one. There is a nice flat near the park. The flat is very comfortable. So here there is dash. You have to write A. Okay. And the flat is very comfortable. So you have your. Okay, here you are mentioning it for the second time. Yes. So you have to write the. Next one. Sumit. Okay. Sumit. There is, this is done. Next one, Priya. I have a problem with my homework book. Homework. Will you help me? I have a problem. A. Mother. Let's see what's the problem. Second time. So, the. Okay. Aman. The lady in the red sari came to see you in the morning. So, write the and also the next blank as down. Sumit, I know the lady. Yes. Write it down. She had come to buy a house. A house. A. Okay. Next one. The house must be near the temple. So write again the. Okay, children. So today your homework will be write only the article. Okay, till here. Okay, including the examples. Write A and D. Okay. Till here, write it in your classwork book. Okay, children. See you in the next class.